Hello, y'all. What we've got here is a Canadian Seabreeze 7172A. 7172A. Seabreeze from Canada. Thanks to our friend here on YouTube, Lake Nipissing, and I will give you a link down below in the description. This was a gift from him at a recent visit. Well, not so recent anymore, but we've kind of had a long line of things to video, so we've had this for a little bit. It's been completely disassembled and thoroughly cleaned. It has these internal oscillator vanes, which unfortunately are not working. The best I can determine is that there is an actual piece of the oscillator mechanism that's missing. But it has two blades, puts out a good breeze, and it's on an adjustable stand. It's a single speed, and here is on. Has a nice distinctive sound from the two blades. All right, now turn it around and get you a shot from the back. Really neat fan. It's not crooked, the table's crooked. The app's been cleaned up and oiled. Novus, Vinyl X, the whole 9 yards. It's also cool to me how the blade turns anti-clockwise from the back. And if you can see inside, there's the oscillating mechanism. There's a wheel that's driven off the motor. And it looks like it was supposed to mesh with that plate in there to turn it and then drive the oscillator vanes back and forth. Yeah, I know that's not connected. But if you look to the front, there's the rubber wheel, and back there, way up there, is the plate that it's supposed to turn, but there's nothing in between. So it just appears that there's a piece missing, possibly. So I'll be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, one more time here is on. So, special thanks to Lake Nipissing for giving this to us. We definitely appreciate it. It's going to go right up on the shelf with the other ones. This is the only Canadian fan that we have. So, it's going to occupy a spot all by itself. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed and that your notifications are enabled so that you are notified when we release new content. Feel free to visit us on our Patreon page if you'd like to support the channel. And everybody have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.